Hello students, today we are going to learn mathematics of class 8, chapter number 4, exponent. Okay, we are going to learn about exponent. What is exponent? You see here, if here a to the power m is given, where a is called as base and m is called power or index or exponent, whatever you can say. Okay. Now for example you see 3 to the power 7 given it. So similarly you see here if a is here base, for this example here 3 will be the base and 7 will be the power or index or exponent. This is called exponent, which is in upside. You see here m is exponent and here 7 is exponent. Okay, now you see question number 1. Here we have to write only base and exponent. Okay, question number 1 you see 2 to the power 5 given, then here base will be 2 and power or exponent will be 5. Okay, like that you see next one minus 5 to the power 4 given, here base is minus 5, not positive. This one is given as negative. Okay, and exponent is 4. Okay, exponent or power. Here you see next one 1 by 3 to the power 4 given, here we can do this two different way. Okay, here you see 1 by 3 to the power 4, we can write 1 by 3 whole to the power 4, because 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 to the power 4 will be also 1, which is similar to this one. Okay, and here for this base will be 1 by 3. This total will be, this fraction will be the base and 4 is power or exponent. Or another way you see 1 by 3 to the power 4 given, here we can write this one 3 as base and this one will go upside. This will become as minus 4. Okay, here base is 3 and power will be minus. Mind it, if 1 by something given, 1 by anything, then power will become negative. Now next one question you see, write each of the following in exponential form. That means हमें अभी इसको exponent form में लिख. Now you see next question, write each of the following in exponential form. Okay, here given 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, हम लोगों को ये करना है, इसमें कितने 5 है देखो 1 2 3 4 एंड बेस विल बी, बेस क्या होगा, बेस 5 ही होगा, लेकिन पावर कितना है, इसमें 1 है, इसमें 1 है, इसमें 1, इसमें 1, टोटल कितना 5 है, सिमिलर है सब. 5 कितना है टोटल, 4 है. दैट मीन्स लाइक दैट 4 विल बी द पावर एंड 5 विल बी द बेस. सिमिलरली यू सी इसमें देखो 2 by 7 ये होगा बेस, ये फ्रैक्शन में है, दैट्स व्हाई इसको एक ब्रैकेट में दे दो. ओके, अभी देखो कितना है इसमें, सिमिलर है 2 by 7, here also 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, कितना है 1 2 3 4, there 4. Then this is power and this is base, like previous one. यहाँ पे भी power and this one base. Okay. Next question अभी देखो, simplify and write the question in exponential form. Okay. इसमें देखो 3 का पावर 2 है, लेकिन इसमें फ्रैक्शन में है 1 by 3 to the power 5 and here 3 cube to the power 4. ये क्या है, ये सेम लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, and like previous one you see we can write this one 3 to the power minus 5. ओके, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा तो माइनस होगा, लेकिन बेस सेम ही रहेगा, नीचे वाला ये बेस रहेगा, ये जो पावर है, ठीक है, ये पॉजिटिव, ये माइनस हो जाएगा. अभी देखो इनटू here 3, ये दो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 3 into 4 what will be, 3 4 जा 12. Now you see here base same for this 3, you write this one, and here first power 2 plus this one into multiply अगर है तो पावर ऐड होगा, अगर डिवीजन है तो पावर माइनस होगा. Here you see within bracket you write minus 5 plus this power will also be added like that. Now you see 3 to the power what will be 2 plus minus minus 5 and here plus 12. You see here 3 base 2 plus 12 what will be 14. 14 minus 5 what will become 14 minus 5 9. Then this one will be the answer. Exponential form, that means exponent here. Exponent is how much? 9. This one complete. Now you see this one. Here base is same for these 3 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. Okay, base same है. Base लिख लिया. Bracket दिया है. Okay. Here first power is 4. Next one 3. Next one 2. Here into है. That's why power will be added. 4 plus 3 and plus 2. Now you see this one remains same base. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. 7 plus 2 how much? 9. This one is the answer. And here exponent or power is 9. अभी next question देखो, question number 4. Solve the following equations. This one given question number 1. You see here. We have to find the value of x. Okay. Here 5 is base. Power is x minus 2. And for 25 we can write 5 square. 5 into 5 will be 25. We know. Now you see here base 5, here also base 5. We can cancel this one. Remaining will be only power हमको लिखना है. इसमें base same है इसलिए चला जाएगा. Only power will be what? X minus 2 will be here remaining 2. Now see x will be here 2 and this 2 will go that side. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Positive. Minus will become plus. That means 2 plus 2 will be 4. The value of x will be 4. Next one, similarly you see this one implies 2 base is same 2 2 but here division is given. For division power will be minus and for multiplication power will be plus. Here power क्या है? पहले का 5x डिवीजन है इसलिए बेस एक ही लिया 5x and this one will negative 5x minus x equal to 2 to the power 4. Similarly you see 2 will be cancelled same, that's why only remaining will be power 5x minus x equal to 4. Now you see 5x minus x क्या होता है 4x and here only 4. Then x will be 4 by 4. This will be 1. Value of x will be 1. तो बस आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड होगा, तुम लोग जरूर देखना. ओके, एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. ठीक है.